Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Kevlar winch rope is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make to your off-road recovery gear, offering unparalleled strength and safety compared to traditional steel cables, ensuring that when you're stuck deep in the mud or navigating treacherous terrain, you have a reliable, lightweight, and easy-to-handle solution that won't let you down, making every recovery operation smoother and significantly less hazardous for everyone involved. Number 5. RefrigiWear Insulated Cowhide Leather Mitten Gloves. Stay incredibly warm even in the harshest conditions. These mittens are designed to provide superior protection against the cold, keeping your hands comfortable all day long. Crafted from durable cowhide leather, they offer excellent grip and long-lasting wear. This robust material ensures reliability and protection for your hands. Experience exceptional warmth with their advanced fiberfill insulation. This innovative layer traps heat efficiently, ensuring your hands remain toasty in freezing temperatures. Inside, a soft fleece lining provides an extra layer of comfort and warmth. It feels gentle against your skin, making them a pleasure to wear for extended periods. Designed for everyone, these versatile mittens offer a comfortable fit for both men and women. Their practical design makes them perfect for various outdoor activities. What we like. First up, we have a unique item that's not a winch rope but essential for cold weather work. These gloves offer superior warmth and comfort for your hands. If you're working outdoors in freezing temperatures or need durable hand protection, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 4. Ramsey Orange Synthetic Winch Rope 10,000 pounds. Crafted from 12 strands of braided ultra-tough nylon, this rope is built to last. It's rust-proof, waterproof, and resistant to UV, chemicals, and harsh weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance. More affordable and significantly safer than traditional steel cables, it offers excellent value. This versatile rope is perfect for off-road vehicles, ATVs, UTVs, trucks, and boats. With greater tensile strength than steel, it handles extreme pulling pressure with ease. Should it ever need attention, this rope can be repaired on the spot using proper braiding methods, saving you time and money. A premium black sleeve provides crucial protection against abrasion, sun exposure, overheating, and corrosion. This thoughtful design effectively prolongs its lifespan, keeping it in top condition. Unlike steel cables that can become dangerous whips if they break, this rope does not store energy. In the unlikely event of failure, it won't snap back dangerously, ensuring your safety and protecting your vehicle. What we like. Moving on to our first winch rope, this orange option offers exceptional value. It's built with ultra-tough nylon, providing a strong yet incredibly safe alternative to steel cables. If you're looking for an economical upgrade for your ATV or UTV winch without compromising on safety, this rope is a perfect fit. What people say. Number 3. SmittyBilt X20 10K Waterproof Winch SB98510. This winch is engineered to be one of the best performing and most powerful on the market. It boasts an impressive 10,000-pound line pull capacity, ready for any challenge. Equipped with optimized gear ratios, it delivers faster line speeds for quick recovery. Its 6.6 HP motor ensures efficient operation every time. Designed for extreme conditions, it features a completely sealed 6.6 HP motor and a waterproof 500 amp solenoid pack. This ensures reliable performance even when submerged. Experience convenience with its integrated wireless remote control, allowing you to operate it from a safe distance. A 12-foot wired remote is also included for versatile use. It comes with a sturdy synthetic cable, offering superior strength and safety. The 3-stage planetary gear system ensures smooth and reliable operation. Enhanced in almost every area, it provides increased performance and trouble-free operation. This makes it a must-have for serious off-road enthusiasts. What we like. Next, we have a powerhouse designed for serious off-roaders. This winch features a completely sealed motor and solenoid, making it impervious to the elements. If you demand top-tier performance in extreme conditions and appreciate the convenience of a wireless remote, this unit is engineered for you. What people say. The synthetic construction of this winch rope offers superior resistance to kinking and splintering, ensuring a safer and more reliable recovery operation compared to traditional steel cables. Its lightweight design significantly reduces strain during handling and deployment, while maintaining exceptional tensile strength for demanding off-road situations. Number 2. All-Top Synthetic Winch Rope Kit. Experience superior performance with this synthetic winch rope. It's crafted from 12 strands of UHMWPE, ensuring exceptional strength and reliability for your toughest recovery needs. This rope is coated with premium urethane, providing excellent resistance against UV rays and harsh chemicals. Its robust construction ensures it stands up to the elements, extending its lifespan. Included is a fully forged steel winch hook, boasting an impressive 35,000 pounds brake strength. Its exclusive coating makes it impact-resistant and highly durable against wear and abrasion. It features 5 feet sliding protective sleeves to prevent cuts and a colored warning jacket for recovery distance. Reinforced metal eye loop guards further enhance safety during use. The high-quality rubber stopper ensures a precise fit for the hook, eliminating rattling while driving and absorbing shocks. This component is also compatible with most winch fairleads on the market. This synthetic rope is significantly stronger, lighter, and safer than traditional steel cables. Say goodbye to rust and corrosion, and enjoy a worry-free off-road adventure. What we like. For those needing maximum pulling power, this heavy-duty rope is a true beast. It comes as a complete kit with a forged hook and isolator, providing everything you need for robust recoveries. If you frequently tackle challenging recoveries with larger vehicles and prioritize a comprehensive, high-strength solution, this is your go-to. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 1. All-Top Synthetic Winch Rope Kit. This rope is crafted from 12 strands of UHMWPE, then coated with premium urethane for superior UV and chemical resistance. It offers an impressive 9,500 pounds brake strength, making it ideal for vehicles under 3,200 pounds. The kit includes a fully forged steel hook, providing an incredible 13,500 pounds brake strength. Its exclusive coating ensures it's impact-resistant and has a much longer wear cycle against abrasion. It features 5-foot sliding protective sleeves to prevent cuts from rocks. Additionally, reinforced metal eye loop guards enhance safety during winch recovery operations. A high-quality rubber winch hook stopper isolator is included. Its unique design securely retains the hook, eliminating rattling while driving and absorbing shocks. This synthetic rope is stronger, lighter, and much safer than traditional steel cables. It eliminates the risks of rust and corrosion, providing a reliable and worry-free off-road experience. What we like. Finally, we have a fantastic option for lighter applications. This rope offers reliable strength in a more compact and manageable size, perfect for smaller vehicles. If you own an ATV or UTV and need a dependable, all-in-one synthetic rope kit for everyday trail use, this one delivers excellent performance and convenience. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.